Hey everybody, I'm Adrian Bustamante from adrianbustamante.com, and today we're going to tell you what the importance of tenderizers are in dishes. Well, the importance of tenderizers are basically to soften the meat and to make it more palatable or easier to eat. That's the easy answer to the question. It actually will also help you increase flavor in a lot of instances because people tend to use tenderizers that you will marinate the dish with, whether it's chicken, fish, meat, but usually we're talking about meat. So let's just stick with that, for instance, as one of the dishes. One of the things I use to tenderize is I will bang on the meat for a little bit. A lot of people use an actual meat tenderizer. I go old school, the way grandma used to do it, and use a rolling pin. Other ways you can do it to infuse flavor as well as soften the meat are using things like alcohol. Wine is very popular. You can actually use things like beer as well as vinegar. Vinegar is another one that actually will increase the flavor in some dishes depending on what type of recipe you're going for. This is rice vinegar, but you can use other forms as well. And then another one is citrus. Citrus is a very popular one because you obviously will tenderize as well as infusing the flavor of a lemon, or maybe it's an orange or something like that. So those are how you do it. So there you go, guys. I'm Adrian Bustamante, and this has been what the importance of tenderizers are in dishes.